My name is Sylvia Devi Susanto Wijaya. You can call me Sylvie. I was born in Jakarta 5 January 1996. I am 20 years old. My hobby is culinary and shopping. My strength is I am a hard worker and I am friendly person. My weakness is hard to manage my time and I cannot work alone, so I need a team to work together. My academy historical is I was in Budi Mulia for elementary school and Tarsius 2 for junior and senior high school. Now I am studying in Bina Nusantara University. Marketing communication is my major. My experience is a sales promotion girls at High Pondok Indah Kapuk and sales promotion girls at Java Jazz 2016. Thank you.
Yeah, 'cause the